Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain about how to connect a GoPro to your Mac. In this video I will explain the various methods of how to connect GoPro to your Mac. In this first method is using an SD card, another method is using a image capture, and third method is using the GoPro quick app. In this video applies to Mac with a OS X Leon 10.7 and later version only. I'll explain in these three methods step by step process. Please keep watching this video. Here I am going to explain first method, that is transfer GoPro files using an SD card. The easiest method of copying files from the GoPro to your Mac is to using an SD card. The caveat to this method is that you need to buy a micro SD card reader. If you have a Mac that has only USB-C ports, you need to purchase a micro SD card reader that can connect via USB-C. Here is how this method works. I will explain the step by step process. For this first method is open the bottom door on the GoPro to give you access to the SD card. Pop up out the SD card. After that, insert the SD card into the slot on the reader. Then connect the SD card reader to your Mac. Open the Finder. Click Untitled in the left navigation pane. If the SD card has a name other than Untitled, click it. After that, double click the folder name DCIM and then double click the folder name 101 GoPro. To finger tap or right click if using the mouse any file you want to copy. To select more than one file, click and hold the command key while selecting the files you wish to copy. To finger tap on the selected files and click copy X items, where X is the number of files is selected. Then in the Finder app, navigate to the location where you want to copy the files. To finger tap or right click if using the mouse and select paste X items, where X is the number of items to be pasted. The files are copied to the Mac. Eject the SD card from the Mac before removing the reader. Here I am going to explain second method, that is called transfer GoPro files using the image capture. The Mac operating system including image capture a piece of the software that gives you access to the GoPro. You need a USB-C cable to connect the GoPro to the Mac. Here is how to make this happen. For this first step is plug the USB-C cable into the USB-C port for the GoPro and then plug the cable into the one of the Mac's USB-C ports. Turn on the GoPro. Open the image capture by clicking on the applications folder or by clicking the Launchpad app on the dock. Type image into the search field and then clicking image capture. Click the name of your GoPro in the left navigation window. Select the folder of house the imported files from the import to drop down menu and click import all. After the import is complete, close image capture and unplug the GoPro from the Mac. Here I am going to explain transfer GoPro files with the GoPro Quick. For the first step is plug your GoPro camera into your Mac and turn on the camera. Click the launchpad on the dock. After that, you should type quick and click the GoPro Quick Launcher. Then log in with your GoPro account username and password. Click import files and wait for the import to complete. When the import is complete, you can find the files in the movies folder ready to be used. Click close quick and unplug the GoPro from the Mac. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this three method is useful. It's really useful. Please share this video, like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.